This question is a business question. The price P and the quantity X sold of a small flat screen television set obeys the demand equation below. How much should be charged for the television set if there are 60 television sets in stock? What quantity X should maximize the revenue? What is the maximum revenue? What price should be charged in order to maximize revenue? Okay, so the first question says that this is the demand equation, P equals negative 0.11x plus 297. And the question says how much should be charged if there are 60 television sets. So that is our value of X, the number of television sets. So we're going to be able to find the price we should set, negative 0.11 times 60 plus 297. So let's do 0.11 times 60 would give me negative 6.6 plus 297. Do 297 minus 6.6. So 290.40 is what we should charge, $290.40. The next part says, what quantity will maximize revenue? Now, before we could actually maximize revenue, we need to find the revenue function. And there's a formula for revenue, a business formula, and that formula is X times P. So we need to find that revenue formula, find the revenue function. We were given the value of P, so we're going to have negative 0.11x plus 297. I'm substituting that in for P, and then I can use the distributive property, negative 0.11x squared plus 297x. That gives me my revenue equation. Now I'm going to maximize the revenue. What I notice here is that I have a quadratic. That squared tells me I have a quadratic, and then I have a negative coefficient. So my parabola will be a down-facing parabola, and the vertex is where my maximum will be. So I'm going to be able to find the maximum revenue by finding the vertex of this. So we'll use the vertex formula, which is h equals negative b over 2a. Our b is 297, or negative 297 over 2 times negative 0.11. So 2 times negative 0.11 will be negative 2.2. Hold on, is that right? 2 times 0.11, sorry about that. That's going to be negative 0.22. Negative 297 over negative 2.22 gives me 1,350. Okay. So then I can find the k part of the vertex by substituting that 1350 into the revenue function. Negative 0.11 times 1350 squared plus 297 times 1350. Okay, let me put that in my calculator. Negative 0.11 times 1350 squared plus 297 times 1350 gives me 200,475. So let's make sure we know what those values mean. For our equation, this x represents number of units. So this 1350 will be the number of units, and this 200,495 will be our revenue. So we get a max revenue of 200,475 when we sell 1,350 televisions. Then the last part, what price should be charged? So we can substitute in for our price, our demand function, negative 0.11x plus 297. We'll substitute x into that, 1350 plus 297. So I'm going to do 1350 times 0.11. Negative 0.11 gives me negative 148.5 plus 297. And I get 148.50. $148. No, that's not right. Okay, let me fix that. Hold on, I'll double check. 297 minus 148.50. Yep, that's right. So our price that we should charge to maximize the revenue is $148.50. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.